Hi guys, Keith Best here. I'm just knocking this video together. Basically, it's going to go over how to spin images because somebody in the group asked about want to know how to do it. It's pretty straightforward, really. It's just the same as like sort of spinning words. You just put the images inside the braces. So I'm just in this test site. So we're just going to start with the two braces. Just basically put the cursor in the middle, go in, and let's add some media. So if I put image 4, that's going to go in the center, insert. And then if we do put the pipe sign in, and then if we add image 5, we'll put that one in the center as well. Put the pipe sign in, add the media, add image 2. We'll put that one to the left. Yeah, add the media. Oh, hang on, go back. There you go. I missed the pipe sign out, so add the pipe in. What was that one? That was image 2. We got image 3. We put that one to the right. Insert the post, and then that one. Pipe in again. Add the media, and if we add image 1, put that one back to the left again. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. You just put your images in, put the pipe sign at the end of it, put another image in, put the pipe sign at the end, put the image in, put the pipe sign at the end. As many images as you want to do. Now, obviously, if we go into, I was on text mode there as I was doing it. We just wait till this finishes updating. You can do it in visual mode, but I prefer doing it in text mode because I can see easier. Because in visual mode, when this one decides to update, this is on one of my crappy servers. It's one of these lifetime hosting servers, which are about as much use as a chocolate pie guard. It will get there eventually. Here we go. Okay, so that's updated. So we go there. As you can see, we've got 2 there, 1, 2 there, 1 here. So if I now go and open this in a new window, we've got image 5 in the middle. Okay, so if I now go to here and go into settings, delete the spin tax, go here, spin that, come on, put image 5 again. This time it's come out with image 4, that'll be in the middle again. Come out with image 5 again. Let's see if we can get one of these side ones just to really. Hey, image 3. Okay, so that's basically like sort of, as this would do like every week, 10% of your post would change. So basically 10% of the post would have a different image. Yeah. So, be on different side, different thing. Obviously, if you go in and do your alt text, make sure your alt text is spun. So again, your alt text is going to get changed up all the time. That image is displayed. So when it gets a new image, you'll get different alt text with your keywords in, things like that. And that's quite easy to do. Just go into your text. Where your image is, you've got there, and then you've got alt, where alt equals this is the alt text. And you could, you spin that to whatever you want. Okay, hope that helps. Catch you later. Bye.